Hola a todos, espero que estéis bien. We're going to look at a 90-word bullet point now for your writing. This is an overlap. The 90-word task is an overlap task, so it's one that both foundation and higher students do. This bullet point is ¿Qué hiciste la última vez que usaste el ordenador? What did you do the last time that you used the computer? Now I'm going to give you a sample answer that I've written here, and we're just going to talk through what's going on in it. So, la última vez que usé el ordenador fue ayer cuando hice mis deberes de historia. Normalmente uso el ordenador para chatear con mis amigos y a veces descargo música también. Mañana, si tengo tiempo, voy a subir fotos a Facebook. So the last time that I used a computer was yesterday when I did my history homework. Normally, I use the computer to chat with my friends, and sometimes I download music as well. Tomorrow, if I have time, I'm going to upload photos to Facebook. Okay, so remember, this is only one of 4 bullet points, and you've got to address all 4 bullet points in 90 words. So that means you can't write very much for each bullet point, but we know that what is central to success on the 90-word task is hitting the 3 tenses, past, present, and future. And we've got that in this text here. We've got the last time that I used the computer, usé, this past tense verb there. We've also got fue and hice. We've got uso and descargo for present tense verbs, and voy a subir for future. Now, I just want to look at the question here. ¿Qué hiciste la última vez que usaste el ordenador? Be careful with this. What did you do the last time that you used the computer? Markers see time and time again people just lifting straight from the question and not changing the verb. So if you wrote on this, la última vez que usaste el ordenador, you would lose a ton of marks because that's the last time you used the computer. That's wrong. So you need to make sure that you're comfortable manipulating the verb in the question. So if we have an aste verb, in this case it's usaste, that needs to go to use. Any AR verb in the preterite tense, which this is in, so the past tense, usaste goes to use. Okay, so you need to be sure, you need to be confident at doing that, because that, if you don't do that well, that will cost you marks. Okay, so the purpose of this is for you to look at it and think, how can you steal some of these verbs here, some of these ideas, and use them in your own writing? So it could be, for example, what did you do? You could get a bullet point that could be as simple as, what did you do yesterday? Well, you could just steal this. Ayer hice mis deberes de historia. Yesterday I did my history homework. For example, what are your plans for tomorrow? Mañana, si tengo tiempo, voy a subir fotos a Facebook. Obviously, you'd have to expand on those, but you get the point that you can take the ideas from here and use these in a different variety of contexts. Okay, so have a good think about how you can steal these ideas and use them in your own writing.